Morning class 10. In continuation of the chapter Nationalism in Europe, today we reached at the module Hunger, Hardship and Revolt. Students, hunger, hardship, unemployment affected equally to all people. And when it emerged or it occurred during the time of Age of Revolution, people start protesting against the domination of the power. As we discussed previously, there was Romanticism also, and we discussed about several points disputing powers of the kings. It was overthrown, again it was reestablished. Now, today we are going to discuss about hunger, hardship, and popular revolt 1845 to 1848. Although we studied about the age of revolution from 1830 to 1848, 18-year period. Today, our main focus is on hunger, hardship, and popular revolt. In the most countries, there were more seekers of job than employment. It means there are several people willing to do the work, but government failed to provide employment to the citizen. For example, that 1,000 labor ready to do any work, but government only give 200 employment to the laborers. So this situation created an environment for revolt. Frustration was that wages were low, working hours were increased. If you go through with the book of Charles and Mary Dickinson, they give the best picture of working class people. That even for the toilet, they have to come downstairs from fourth floor to last one, and they allowed only 2 times. Working hours increased, wages decreased. Reversible condition. Now people, they were not able to feed their families. So in that situation, 100% they revolted against the domination of power. Second, population from village, rural area migrated to cities. Now in village they were not having any work, so they migrated towards the cities and they created slums. It created one new problem, a new society was emerged. The people migrated from village and settled down in outer area of the city because they were not getting enough facilities. In cities, housings were not allowed. So they constructed slums over there. So it created a new social class, suffrage class. Then rise of food price. We witnessed in French Revolution also, when production cannot match with the demand of food grains, population increased, food grains production decreased. It created the environment for French Revolution 1789. Remember this one because you studied in 9th class. Now food price and one more thing, bad harvest, crop failure. In Hindi, Sarmundwati Oleg. Now, rise of food price and crop failure, bad harvest. So, two things at the same time. Now, the people, those who are suffering from hunger, unemployment, hardship of the life, day-to-day life, they were not easily manage to feed their families. In that situation, they start revolting against disputed power of king, and it creates the formation of two nations unification, Italy and Germany. I hope you understood.